Hey guys, Mr. L here. So we are now looking at the exercises for lesson 4. And number 1 says Bella types at a constant rate of 42 words per minute. Okay, we got that word constant, so we know we're going to be proportional. Is the number of words she can type proportional to the number of minutes she types? Yes, it is. We know that because it is a constant rate. So now we just need to take my minutes and multiply it times the number of words. 1 times 42 is 42. 2 times 42 is 84. 3 times 42 is 126. 6 times 42, and we should be able to do this in our head, but just in case, I'm going to do this out because it's going to help me over here by doing this already. Okay, so 42 times 6, so 2, and then 1. 6 times 4 is 24. 25 when I carry the 1, so that's 252. Now, look at this. From 6 to 60, I just multiply by 10. Well, I'm just going to take this number. I'm going to add that 0 to get 2,520 there. Okay. So is it proportional? Yes, it is proportional. Hopefully we're tired of hearing this now because it has a constant. What? Constant rate. Yeah, we know that. Constant rate. Good. All right, looking down at this next one here. A little more complicated because I see that I have an opening over on my left as well as over on my right. Mark recently moved to a new state. During the first month, he visited 5 state parks. That's important. We're going to do that. We know the first month was 5 state parks. Okay. Each month after, he visited 2 more. Complete the table and use the results to determine if the number of parks visited is proportional to the number of months. Well, looking at it, we should be able to guess already if it's 5 in the first month and then 2 every month after that, it is not constant, so it is not proportional. So the first one, we have 5. And then each month I'm adding 2 more, so 7 and then 9. But now we jump all the way up to 23. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to take our 23 and we're going to, because we need to figure out how many months, okay? Take our 23, we're going to subtract our first month because I need to work with a constant rate after that. 23 minus 5 is going to be 18. And now I need to divide that 18 by the rate that it increased each month after the first month, which was 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 is not my answer, though, because it's 9 got me to 18. I had to add 1 more that first month. So it's 1 to get me to 10 months. So it takes him 10 months to visit 23 state parks, and it is not proportional. Okay, it is not proportional because this first one was 5, and then I went up by 2 after that. So there's a different rate each month, so it cannot be proportional. At least, even if that 1 month, that first month is different, all the rest are off. Number 3, the table below shows the relationship between the side lengths of a square and the area. Complete the table, then determine if the length of the sides is proportional to the area. Well, there's some cool things about a square. A square, we know, each side is congruent. Each side is equal. Those hash marks mean they're congruent, and each square has 4 90-degree angles. Okay, that's what makes it a square. So to do the area, remember area equals length times width. So all I've got to do is plug these in. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. So it's 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 8 times 8, and 12 times 12 is, you got it? Yep, 144. Now, then determine if the length of the sides is proportional to the area. Well, I go up by 3, and then I go up by 7, and then I go up by 9, and then I go up by 39. So is that proportional? No. No. It is not proportional. Okay, because it's a different rate of change each time. as my side lengths, even though there's the same math that we're doing, even though we're squaring the side, if my side is x, even though I'm squaring it each time, every time this changes, it's not the same rate, okay? So that's number 3. And then we move into the problem set. There are 3 questions here, which we should be able to solve on our own. However, if you need to work with a partner or need to ask for help, that's fine. Please do so. I'd rather have you get these right in class while we've got time to work on them rather than get home and start to struggle if you have to take it home. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a good day.